So we're at Parkwood Elementary. The last stop each day of the book bus is at a campus. And on Tuesdays it's Parkwood. We store all the snacks and books here, so we reload, restock everything, and then we have loads of kids who get on the bus. We want to keep students reading all summer long. It's one of the biggest factors affecting student achievement, especially at our level, is summer loss, when they don't have an opportunity to read or they just don't read. And we thought, if you make it a bus, you make it fun, competitive with prizes and everything, they will get on and they will read. And if they read all summer, they won't drop levels and they'll come back to school totally prepared for the rigors of the new school year. This year, Jeff Green, our transportation director, he said, hey, I have a bus here that I think we can convert into a true reading bus. And I went to Jennifer Torres, the head of our education foundation, and showed her some pictures from Dickinson ISD, who had done a reading bus. And I said, oh, we can do at least this, because it was fantastic. And the Education Foundation really came through. They did the wrap on the bus, put an awning on there so we can stop, pull out chairs, read to the kids. They have been so supportive. And then Dr. Kuba, she took care of the inside of the bus. She hired people to come and do the build out. So this truly is a library on wheels. We wanted 3 certified teachers for every run, and then we tapped into high school volunteers. They're also on the bus, and they are doing volunteer hours, which some of them need for high school. The teachers they're the key to this, because they're here helping students select books, keeping track of reading logs, checking things out, checking things in, restocking. We had 2 teachers, Sarah Cox and Andrea Garcia, who spent a week, 2 weeks actually, just organizing all the books you see into different areas like picture books and nonfiction books, all of that. And then they hop on every Monday and show the new crew how it works. So they've done an outstanding job, all of the teachers, and that is key. Having great teachers who are willing to give up some of their summer just to help students read.